This is the story of Sofia Walleyn. I was already awake before Corona arrived. It was the love that placed me on the path of consciousness. A real roller coaster. The image of relationships and how that was reflected in our society felt really sick to me. It expanded systematically by further investigation. For example, I noticed that we actually nowhere learn to communicate constructively and in a way that connects. While that is such an important factor for the rest of our lives, instead we are being made stupid, kept stupid and docile, in an image often portrayed by the media and policy. I immediately saw Corona as an opportunity to have a good look at what we want to make of this world together.